In today's digital world, data is everywhere, generated in real time, growing exponentially. But with so much data, how do you turn raw information into actionable insights? Fragmented systems, inconsistent data, and siloed insights create a maze that can hinder critical decision-making. The challenge? To harness this data in a way that empowers decisions and drives growth. But what if there was a way to bring all your data together, no matter where it comes from? A way to integrate your systems and extract real value using advanced analytics. Integrating your data sources gives you a single, unified view of your business. Integration between ERP, point of sale, and e-commerce store is the key to making smarter, faster, and more informed decisions. Imagine having real-time insights at your fingertips, whether it's monitoring supply chains, predicting market trends, or analyzing customer behavior. With advanced analytics, you can anticipate challenges and seize opportunities. Empowering business leaders with integrated, advanced analytics transforms decision-making from reactive to proactive. It's the key to staying ahead in an increasingly competitive market. Advanced analytics empowers you to transform data into insight and insight into action. When integration meets innovation, your business decisions lead the way. Ready to empower your business decisions with integrated advanced analytics? Contact us today.